Hello children, today we are going to see chapter 6 from a railway carriage. Carriage means the box of the train. Okay, here is the poem which is written by the Robert Louis Stevenson. So here is the poem. You have to read and you have to find out the difficult word also, and you have to learn and write in your notebook. So here is the poem. Faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along are troops in a battle all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all the sides of the hills and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye painted station whistled by. Here is a child who clambers and clambers all by himself and gathering bamboos. Here is a tramp who stands and glares. And there is the green of strings, the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse for each a glimpse and gone forever. The poem was written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He is saying that the train was faster than the ferries. When we are in childhood, we all talk about the ferries. Ferries are faster, they travel, and faster than the witches. All the witches are faster. So train is the faster than the ferries and faster than the witches. Train is faster running on the rail. He is talking about the trains, he is talking about the witches and ferries. But when we are travel in the trains, we saw the bridges, house, hedge and ditches, and troops, and the scenery, mountains, and all the plains, hills we saw from the train. Now we saw also the station which are beautifully painted by the people. We cross and we memorize the traveling while we are traveling in the train. So all the situation are here when we saw from the train, how we look from the train, how we travel from the train, and how what we saw from the train. Beautiful garden, beautiful trees, beautiful scenery, beautiful rivers, beautiful bridges, and beautiful hills, horse, cattle, and all the animals we saw. So here is some question and answer and word meaning you have to write in your copy. And you have to also pick up the rhyming word from the poem and add more: road, river, witches, cattle and rain. You have to write the rhyming word also.